Wow!
Wow! For today's vlog mga kawalwal, nandito kami ngayon, kasama ko si Pops Judy, para mag-sideline muna kami, para may income kaming dalawa. Umextra kami sa truck, yung delivery truck ng balot. Magdi-deliver kami ng balot sa Pampanga mga Pops.
Eddie, wow!
Driver pa hinanti kami na yon mga Pops. Kaya samahan niyo kami mga Pops hanggang matapos itong video na to.
Sana all.
Oh my God! Wow! Baby, jump the limit.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can pull my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends this water full of pain and laugh and joke about me on the phone.
Magkagas muna kami mga Pops dahil 1 bar na lang itong natitirang gasolina namin dito sa aming truck.
Tell my lips
Basit at truck.
they won't be reaching out for you no more. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might grow up and kill this man.
Umaambon pa mga Pops. Naman sanang umulan. Yes Lord.
I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your brother I'm out.
Ride safe mga Pops. Takbong pogi lang tayo.
10 points para sa'yo. Ang galing mo. Sana all.
I'll tell you how we used to anything you please.
Dito Pops, naabutan kami ng pagkahaba-habang traffic dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga dahil sa piyesta ng patay. Kaya nasaraduhan na kami yung mga pagdi-deliver namin ng mga balot na store.
Gago!
Mga Pops, uwi na kami. Dahil hindi namin na-deliver itong mga balot namin. Yan mga Pops, magtotolgit mula kami.
Wow!
Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might grow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think it understand.